Day 4 of the Tour de Faff was a bit of a washout, so here's just a small montage of what we did manage.
sights to see, rolling hills or city streets, ocean to ocean and all in between. It's out there just waiting, all you days come to those who